This is the TP-Link Tapo Smart Plug. This plug works with Apple Home, Alexa, and Google Home. In the box, there is a quick start guide and setup guide. Instructions are written out clearly. This is what the plug looks like. It has a wide rectangular shape with a 3-prong in the back, and it has a power button on the side. To set it up, I go into the App Store and download the Tapo app. Then I put the plug into the outlet and the power button will blink orange and blue to indicate it's ready to be paired. I open the Tapo app and create an account. Once I have my account, I go to the top right corner and press on Add Device. I press on Plugs and look for the specific smart plug I have. I have the Tapo P125M as indicated on the box. Since the plug was already blinking orange and blue, the app was able to detect my plug easily and connect it to my network. After I put my Wi-Fi password in, I can rename the plug to whatever I want. So if you have multiple smart plugs, you can easily know which one to switch. Then it updates the firmware, and that's it. The plug is ready to be used. In the app, I can set a schedule, timer, and away mode. The app is pretty straightforward and easy to use. I use it for my fan, and I'm able to turn my fan on and off by pressing a button on my phone.